What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today is whatever day it is. I almost did not make a video because I'm not feeling well. So that is why you're not seeing my awesome face. But I still wanted to do a video so I can keep to my word for myself. Anyway, this video is going to just show y'all a couple items that I have purchased through thrift stores. Let me just say it like this. The majority of my house are thrift store finds. Of course, on sale. I think every item for sure is items that are on sale. You know, if anything, I can point out anything that was full price in here. So anyway, so this is my headboard to my bed, and I got this at it's called Restore. So now this thought it was so cute. So it came with a headboard and a footboard, which is over here. Don't look at my dirty house, because yes, it's still dirty. And then the footboard. And I think that was just $75. You'll see my two awesome pictures. I love these frames. And both of these was under $30. Hey, look at my legs. These two mirrors, which gonna go next to my bed. Got these from Kirkland's. And these were only $44, regular $80. And I love them. I love them. These bar stools, I gotta reupholster. But I got both of them. There's two of them. Got them for two of them for $20. Was it 20 or under 20? I think it was under 20. But two bar stools for under $20, guys. Come on. And I love them. I'm just gonna have to kind of like touch them up. But other than that, I like them. I got this chair a while ago. I think that was $20 too. 20. I don't remember, guys. It's been a minute when I bought that. So I have this light fixtures going into my kitchen, and that was only $24. So y'all, the whole point of this is don't just settle. Be unique. And you can find good deals for your house without just going to your main stores and everything. I got this. I think they call this a telephone table. I don't know, y'all. But I think for sure this was under $50. This is a long time ago, y'all. I got this when I still was in my apartment, and I have not a clue. So I just wanted to share with you guys of those few finds. My whole house, like, okay, even this couch. Don't look at all my pillows and stuff. This couch right here. I know it's dark in here, but my lights are off. Meaning I need a bulb. That's what I meant by that. Even this couch, and of course all the pillows, except for the middle one, that was a present from my mom. But this couch I got for $98, y'all, at a thrift store. $98. Now it's like I gotta, like, right here. Is it right here? Somewhere I need to like fix like the button or something. But other than that, y'all, this couch is one of my favorite finds. It is very well made. And for $98, come on, you can't beat that. You cannot beat that. And I get all my pillows from thrift stores. Okay? I'm all under $5. I'm not gonna spend that much for no dang pillows. Pillows are expensive, guys. All these pillows too. These are gonna be my other couch pillows, except for the llama pillow. I got that from my mom. It's a gift. Well, all these pillows too are from thrift stores. Like this nice size pillow Booyah, that was I think they came in a pack. For the pack, I paid $5. It was having a sale. And these are like nice pillows. The majority of pillows are zips. I'm telling y'all, don't don't be spending no over $20 for no dang pillows. Okay, guys? Real talk. So anyway, guys, that wraps up my video. I hope this was helpful in some form of fashion. But I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I'm feeling better. Deuces!